Hi, this is Floreseni, and I want to congratulate Volga Videos for reaching 18 million subscribers. Oh my God. Mwah. Keep liking, subscribing, sharing the content, and Volga Videos, many, many more millions to you.
సో ఉన్న కంటెస్టెంట్స్ లో ఇప్పుడున్న జెంట్స్ మీరు ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉన్న జెంట్స్ కంటెస్టెంట్ లో హూ ఇస్ మోర్ స్ట్రాంగర్ అంటే ఎవరు చెప్తారు?
Stronger, strength wise, there's only Demon.
Oh,
He's
only
the
Demon.
Strongest
Among Demon, Kalyan, and Barney Garu, Emmanuel, who is the most strongest one? Means whose name will take?
Games lo strongest.
Yeah.
Demon.
Games lo strongest Demon.
Demon.
Okay.
Demon aithe chala it's kashtam. I don't know. I can't think of. Demon was the captain. A Rhino game lo. Hai na? He was the captain. Demon aithe he will play even ball will he'll take. He's very fast. Demon.
He is a sanchalak actually in that time.
Yes. So, but if he is not there, then I think Emmanuel Garu and Kalyan both are.
Okay. Still Barney Garu is in mask. What you'll say?
Yeah. I don't like his game. I think andarki.
I think we not even seen his game actually.
Yeah.
He played very less.
But he's saying he's very confident. Meeku Priya out ayinappudu he had said ki she's told ki Barniana, I know how you're playing your game. I can understand. Andarki can't understand, but I can understand. And he said ledu నేను బయటికి వస్తే तब सबको समझ में आएगा मैं क्या गेम खेला हूँ. Something like that he said. But he's playing a bad game. I don't like that sister brother relationship. Ippudu it is not it's not coming out dignified. It's looking like something else because even Sanjana Garu and Barney Garu were brother sister.
Okay.
So classy, dignified. But Divya and Barney Garu relationship,
it's not.
They're saying brother sister, but it's not feeling like that.
Okay.
Even in the house.
I feel రాట్లేదు. Yeah, okay. And coming to this, సంజన గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు మీరు? వాట్ యు విల్ సే అబౌట్ సంజన గారు? అండ్ ఉన్న ప్లేయర్స్ లో ఎవరు ఇంకా బాగా ఆడితే బాగుందని అనుకుంటున్నారు? హూ వుడ్ బి బెటర్ టు ప్లే? వాళ్ళ గేమ్ ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఎవరి పేరు చెప్తారు? Among them,
Kalyan
Garu has to improve because after I think Priya went, Kalyan improved his game a lot. The graph went high on high. He became the captain also.
Yes, but after being the captain, I think he's again Tanuja pakkane untaru. So that has to break.
Okay, Tanuja ni Kalyan kuda break aithe Kalyan game would be more better.
Yes, much better. Because he doesn't talk much, right? So if they both are in the same team, edaina tappu aithe Tanuja will shout.
Okay.
He will say sorry,
okay,
whatever. But
okay.
I want to hear him, so he has to break that. And again Shetty Anna is doing fabulous after that water task. Valu speed pick up chesaru. But Kalyan Garu can inka do better because he is also a reserved person, malaga, so he can do better. And one thing what you asked, Sanjana Garu, she's a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart.
ఫస్ట్ వారంలో కొట్టుకున్నారండి వీళ్ళు. మాట్లాడొద్దామంటే నేను రాను అని భయపడిపోయి ఈవిడ లాస్ట్ వచ్చేసరికి యూ బోత్ బికమ్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
అండ్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఇస్ నాకు అన్ని బ్యాడ్ పాయింట్స్ తెలుసు, తర్వాత మేము ఫ్రెండ్స్ అయ్యాను. సో
యు నో గుడ్ అండ్ బ్యాడ్.
yes, and the friendship with both ways. So she also see I can, if I love you as a person, it is I'm a fan. If you also love me, it's friendship.
Okay.
So she also saw something good in me, I saw good in her, and that's why we became very good friends.
Who is the smartest player in the game right now?
Smartest
Sanjana.
I was going to say the same name. Smartest. Yeah. Sanjana Garu. Yeah.
Hello, nenu mi Ruksha Dhillon. Congratulations to Volga Videos.
Volga Videos ki congrats andi.
Congratulations to 17 million subscribers of Volga Videos.
Congratulations to the whole team.
Congratulating Volga Videos on that. Inka many more subscribers your way and meer ilane entertain chestunde mammalni. Thank you.